Welcome guys to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to buy Ecoin using your GCash. Hey guys, so you wanna buy Ecoin using GCash. So the answer for that is that since Ecoin isn't directly listed in GCash, you'll need to use a crypto exchange that support Philippine peso deposits. So first you wanna open your Binance account or coins.ph app. Go to the P2P trading and then choose GCash as your payment method. Select a verified seller, enter the amount you want to buy in Philippine peso, and then complete the payment through your GCash app. So once the transaction is confirmed, your funds will appear as USDT or Philippine peso balance in the exchange. So from there, simply trade your USDT or Philippine peso, Ecoin if it's available on the exchange, or swap USDT to another token and transfer it to an external wallet that supports Ecoin. Finally, always check the current exchange rate, fees, and verified sellers before confirming your trade for security.